listen. This is A matrix now. For taking determinant, what we will be doing, Raja? We have to take simple cross da for 2 by 2. 3 by 3 na we have to go many ways. Okay, va? So this is AD minus BC. When it is goes upper, upper cross na, you will be getting minus. This you should remember. They will be mentioned that determinant A like this, like a modulus symbol they will give, but you should not read modulus. Determinant only. Determinant A, or else they will give like this also. Okay, determinant symbol, or else they will use like this also. Determinant A. Determinant A, just determinant. This is determinant A. In this three manner, they will be mentioned the determinant. Understand? Any one, what is that we can use? We should read always determinant only, not a modulus. Again, I am telling. Next, determinant of matrix, I said we should take cross multiply. See, for this determinant, if you want to take now, what you will be doing? 4 formula minus 1 into 4 na, minus 4 is equal to what you will be getting? Is equal to 8. So, normal evaluate da. And here also x into x square minus this together, which means x minus 1 into x plus 1. So, which is look like a what? A plus b, a minus b na, a square minus b square formula, minus you take multiple inside. So that I am getting, this is 1 I am getting. Okay, like this also you will be getting. This is also normal determinant one. Determinant what? Just cross multiply. Upper class when you do, you should give minus. This minus. Upper class when you go, you should give a minus. Okay. 2 by 2 simple only. 3 by 3 only you have to learn properly. For 3 by 3 there is lot of ways actually. Around what is that? We can go by row 1 or row 2. Or row 3 or column 1, column 2, column 3. There are 6 types here. In 6 ways, whatever the method you go, you will be getting same answer. But 6 variety of way you can use for taking the determinant. Which is more preferable in the sense where contain number of elements is equal to 0. That is, sorry, not number of elements. Element is 0. Where element is 0, there you take better. Suppose A21 is 0 na, either column 1 is preferable or row 2 is preferable. Suppose here one more zeros is there in the row 2 na, row 2 is best. Okay, 2 zeros is there in the same, row 2 is best, very easily you can go. Okay, that is very important. Like this you can go. Children listen, don't talk. And sometime MCQ it will be very useful. Listen, MCQs they will be asking these things. First point says what you see. That's what we have seen. No, where is zeros is there? That is you take. That is easy. They said, and this is you people remember, right? When you go to first term, what is that? Always minus 1 whole power I plus j means what is a row and column that you have to add and put the in power. Which means if I am taking determinant for this na, this is minus 1 whole power, this is first column, first row, then 1 plus 1, then 1 I am taking na, this 1, first row, first column you have to strike out, remaining you have to take what? 3, 0, 1, 0 like that. When I go second number plus minus 1 whole power, second number is what? A, 1, 2. So that 1 plus 2, second number what ma? 2 into that 2 row column if we strike out minus 1 0 4 0 like that you have to take, and 4 if you going na a 1 3, so that minus 1 whole power 1 plus 3 element 4 into the row column if you remove minus 1 3 minus 1 3 and 4 1. This if you simplify you will be getting answer. This is the way to take determinant. Each area what we are giving, first term plus, second term minus, third term plus, like that we will be going generally. Am I right? But the proper way na, this is the way we have to apply. This is the way we have to apply. So row 1 if you are moving na, row 1 if you are going plus minus plus. This is idea we have followed. Am I right? Other column model if you are going, this you have to use, then only you will be getting correct answer. Otherwise you will be getting mistake only. That is second point. Third point what they are talking, there is a formula actually. Suppose A is equal to 2 times of B is there now. What is order that you have to apply when you take determinant? When you take determinant, the order you have to apply in the power. Which means A is equal to K into B is there for order n in the sense. When you take determinant, what you will be getting? K power n determinant B. This is you have to use point number 3. Very important MCQ. In general they gave here, where is Modulus B. Here they gave. Okay, if A is equal to KB na, then what is the determinant of A is equal to K power n into determinant B. This is you have to use. Understand? Very important. Very important. The determinant B is given in the down. Okay, va? But see n value till 1, 2, 3 only. Because n is called what? Order. We have highest order 3 only, no? Okay, order 1, order 2, order 3. More than you don't take. So this is formula determinant of, sorry, A is equal to any scalar with B is there, na? This you can use for easy answer. Example they gave here already. Okay. Very important formula, point number 3. They will be asking even in the assessment reason also or MCQs also. Okay. And evaluate the determinant for this, they given for 3 by 3 order. And these things they may ask by using trigonometry. Here see where we have a 0. In each row we have 1, 1, 0. So that any one you can take. Either row 1, row 2, row 3. So that if you take a row 1 is best. Row 1 if you take, this is what first element, what actually first element 0, then 0 directly. Second element when I go I should mention minus sin alpha. Row column if you leave na 0 into this together you have to multiply. Minus sin alpha, sin beta, cos alpha and 0. Third element what we have? Minus cos alpha. Third element what we have? Minus cos alpha. Actually as per that third element plus a. But there is minus here, so directly I mentioned the minus. Okay. If you remove that row and column now, what I am getting? Minus sin alpha 0, cos alpha minus sin beta. This is the way you have to go. So first element 0, so I didn't do it. First element 0, so I didn't do it. Okay. So minus sin alpha, when you multiply that will be 0. Formula minus. This together when you multiply cos alpha into sin beta. Formula minus, sorry, cos alpha into this together when you multiply minus and minus plus sin alpha into sin beta, formula minus 0 into cos alpha 0. So what I am getting? Minus and minus plus sin alpha sin beta cos alpha minus cos alpha sin beta. Have you seen that this is same? Same, am I right? So that it will be 0. What it will be? 0. So whatever type, row 1, row 2, row 3 or column 1, column 2, column 3, whatever you use, final answer will be 0. That never change. Okay, right. Next, see here they got a 0 only. Like see here, third chapter, fourth chapter, you should not get confused. Especially this question they will be asking in the MCQ. Third chapter, if you have seen like this, elements are equal, then x equal to 2, we will be completing very easily. Am I right? But in fourth chapter, they will be given like this. Determinant symbol they have given, not matrix. Have you noticed? Matrix, no, they will give like this. Am I right? This is the matrix. But they didn't give a matrix. They gave determinant. So that you should not say matrix equal, elements are equal. You should not say this here. That is mistake if you are telling this. Okay, this is the mistake you will be doing. Fourth chapter, third chapter. This is determinant you should apply normally. 3 1s are 3 minus x into x square is equal to 3 1s are 3 minus 4 2s are 8, 3 3 cancel, minus x4 is equal to minus 8 minus minus cancel, x is equal to square root of 8, we can write 4 into 2, then x can be plus or minus 2 root 2, like that you can. Okay, this is the way they have done here. Have you understand, children? See, third chapter or fourth chapter, you have to understand what it is. Either modulus or determinant. Modulus na, sorry, determinant na, we have to apply the determinant. Matrices in the sense, directly we can equate the element. Understand? Right. Next, question number, sorry, 4.1. Everything same, normal determinant only they asked. Okay, see, normal determinant. Here we have seen this. Here this one we have seen. The property what we had. A is equal to K into B na. When you apply the determinant, what will happen? The order will be coming in the power for what? For only the scalar. So here order 2 in the sense, here 2 is there na, 2 power 2 into A will be coming. 2 power 2 is what? 4A. Then surely it will be what? Equal. But you have to show separately. 2 into this matrix, then take determinant. And take determinant without multiply 2, then when multiply 4, you will be getting same answer. That and all we have done in the classwork. You people see that. Okay. Normal determinant. Determinant, kindly you learn, children. Determinant, if you are not learned, even if people losing, mark it 4 point. 4.2 what actually? Area of triangle. Area of triangle formula, you remember? Area of triangle formula what? 1 by 2 determinant x1 y1. See that formula easily you can remember. Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 first point, second point, third point, then 1 1 1. That's it. If you apply determinant, you will be getting. Am I right? First point, second point, third point, then column 3 what? 1 1 1. If you apply, you will be getting answer for this. Okay. This is the next exercise we are going to see. Okay, pa? See one more question they asked here. One more question. This is what actually? Not a, you cannot equal element directly. This is what actually determinant. Determinant you apply x into x what? X square. 18 2s are 36 is equal to 36 minus again 36 minus 36 cancel. X square equal to 36. X equal to plus or minus 6. Put it in. Okay. So be careful in this. Like that also here. You people try that. Area of triangle, I told you. Area of triangle formula. Area of triangle what? 1 by 2. First point, second point, third point. Then 1 1 1. If you apply, you will be getting easily area of triangle. Okay. Area of triangle 0. What it is called? All the points. Collinear. Very good. The points are called what? Collinear. Area of triangle 0 na, the points are called collinear. That is third point they said here. Okay. Area of triangle 0 in the sense that points are called collinear. See, determinant. Listen carefully. Determinant cannot be negative. Area cannot be negative. Sometime listen in this here we'll go. What is area of triangle? 61 by 2. Listen. Suppose 61 by 2 they said here some value is missing. Sometime area can be 61 by 2 here. Suppose they may give negative answer. Listen carefully. They may give answer can be negative. But negative if it is comes also, what you will take? Positive. Because area must be what? Positive. So here any one value is missing. The third point K they asking to find area of triangle is given that 61 by 2 in the sense. Listen carefully. Area of triangle 61 by 2 is given. They asked to find the K. They asked to find the K na. The 61 by 2 you should take plus or minus 61 by 2 when you apply in the determinant. Why sir plus or minus? Area must be positive only, no? Then why you taking plus or minus? Sir, when we apply determinant, it may come in negative also or it may come in positive also. We don't know whether it comes in negative or in positive. Whatever it comes, finally we have taken as a positive value. But in determinant, it will come in negative also. Am I right? That is what this number, whether it is positive or negative, we don't know. So the given 61 by 2, when you take to determinant, we should apply plus or minus. That is point number 2 they are telling. Okay. So that see here, point number 2, if area is given, that is what I am telling. Area is given. 61 by 2 something area is given. Use both positive and negative in determinant. Okay. Use both positive negative in determinant. When you apply determinant, you should take plus or minus, not only what is given that. Very important. Okay. Next, since area is positive, always use absolute value of the determinant. Means if it comes in negative, you take positive. If you get positive, always take positive, not an issue. That is first point. Okay. First point, when you take determinant, if you get negative also take positive. Positive comes also take positive. They are telling. Suppose area is given na, when you goes to determinant, take plus or minus, because we don't know answer comes positive or negative. So that I am taking both. Okay. Point 1 2 3 is very important. So now you see Raja, question number 7. Example 7 you see. Area given what? 3 units. Area given what? 3 units. First you will read the line. Find the equation of line. A line means what here? Line means what? Collinear. Line means what? Collinear. So point 1 A, B, C is not given. C is not given, but D is given here. C is not given. First, using determinant. First, we will find a line. Listen, pa, only 2 point is given. Third point not given. Because why third point we need? Collinear definition is what? More than 2 points. Okay, more than 2 points lies in a straight line. It's called a collinear, we can say. Collinear, we cannot form with 2 line. Okay, 3 line. Okay, 3 or more points lies in a straight line. We can say collinear. So that third point only we need. So third point I'm taking the C point x comma y. What I'm taking x comma y. Collinear means line means collinear. Collinear means area of triangle what? 0. So that area of triangle is equal to 0 if it is formed line. Area of triangle formula 1 by 2. First point 1 3. Second point 0 0. Third point we assume to x y and column 3 always 1 1 when you find area of triangle. Huh? Sir? Which means that's not an issue, ma. Why they have given here to take determinant? If it is in row 1, it will be easy, no? So that they kept it there. That's not an issue. Whatever you change, you will be getting same answer equal to 0. Multiply 1 by 2 when you send opposite what? 0. Then take determinant. So that I'm going to use what is that? Row 2. Okay. Row 2 na first element 0, second element 0. 3 means A 2 1. 2 1 na plus or minus 2 1 na plus or minus If you don't know minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1 you apply. If you don't know minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1 you apply. Okay. And what is that? This row and column if you removed now what I am getting? 1 3 x y equal to 0. So minus 1 whole power 3 minus 1 into y minus 3 into x 3x is equal to 0. Now this minus 1 multiply minus 1 when you send opposite that will be plus 0 when you think 0 then y minus 3x is equal to 0 or y equal to 3x. That's it. Not an issue. Understand? Either this or that I am getting. See that is our wish. See they have taken 0 0 in the first. I didn't take like that. As it is I applied. Even though I am getting answer. That's not an issue. You can go like that. Very important. And area. I told you area of triangle 3 is given. 3 is given now. You should use the 3 what? Plus or minus 3. If area is given. Actually they said what actually? Read the line. A point is given. B point is given. Area of ABD. Not ABC. A point, B point and D point. They given 3 units. So that first point you write as it is. Second point you write as it is. Third point you write as it is. And column 1, third column 1 1. Okay. So here 1 by 2 equal to area is given what? 3 na. You should take plus or minus 3. Okay. This 2 you send opposite. So what I am getting that 2 when I send opposite what va? 2 when you send opposite what ra? Plus or minus 3 into 2 that means 6. Now you take determinant. I am choosing this one again. Okay. First term 0, second term 0. Third term when I go what I got there? Actually minus I got. So minus into this will be gone. Then 1 into 0 0 minus 3 into k 3k. Okay, this is I am getting. Multiply the minus into minus plus 3k is equal to plus or minus 3 into 2. 3 3 cancel. K is equal to plus or minus 2. K equal to plus or minus 2. Okay. K equal to plus or minus 2 or minus plus 2 not an issue. Minus or plus na minus 2 comma plus 2. Plus or minus 2 na 2 comma minus 2. Even though both is okay. Not an issue. Okay. Right. Is it okay pa? What we got? Right. Next can I go? See 4.2 also same. Area of triangle. You people try. 3 questions are given area of triangle. And here we have to say this is collinear. Collinear na area of triangle what you should get? 0 you should get. Here area 4 it seems. Then what you have to take? Plus or minus 4 you should take. Okay. They are asking to find a line. Line na area equal to what you will take? First point 1 2, third point 3, second point 3 6, third point not given. What you have to take? X y. Then 1 1 1 equal to 0 if you take na this answer you will be getting. Understand? Like that the second one, first this is also what they said line. Okay. Then first point 3 1, second point 9 3, third point not given xy, 1 is given equal to 0 now over. Sir 1 by 2 not mentioned sir. 0 if you give it goes opposite, that will be 0. That is what I didn't mention 1 by 2. If you mention 1 by 2 also not an issue. Okay. And here area triangle is given. What you have to take? Plus or minus 35 you should take. Then you will be getting the value of the k. Okay, very easy. 4.2. One question 100% will be coming to the board exam. But in MCQ or 2 mark or 3 mark we don't have idea. Okay, either in 2 mark or MCQ can pass through, I hope. Okay, one question will be coming from 4.2. You people try. Next cofactor. See, minus, instead of going minus cofactors, if you go last exercise what are Raja? Solving the equation, if you go, you will be getting all there. Because see children, while you solving, what is the idea we are using? Ax is equal to b. X is equal to what then? A inverse b is the idea. What is A inverse formula? 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. This is the formula. Am I right? Listen carefully. In the A inverse, we are finding how to take determinant. We are learning how to take determinant. In the adjoint of A, we are learning two things: how to take cofactor, how to take minor, how to take cofactor, how to take transpose. In adjoint of A, these things we are learning. Next, A inverse into B, how to product two matrix. Also we are learning. So last exercise if we go, how to take determinant, how to take minor, how to take cofactor, how to take transpose, how to multiply two matrix. Everything it is there in the last exercise. That is what, if you are very clear in the last exercise, both the chapter is a matter. Easily you can complete. Really amazing. Okay, so for last exercise you try to learn in the fourth chapter, easily you can score good mark. Okay, right. Now you can see how to take cofactor, they are guiding us. How to take a cofactor and minor. Minor means what? Without applying a plus or minus. What plus or minus? We are using no minus 1 whole power that will not apply in the minor. Directly will be getting. Cofactor now, that minus whole power will be applied. That's it. This is the minor and cofactor. There is difference. See, they are applying. This is A. See, minor means they are using M. Cofactor means they are using A. Capital F. For cofactor only they have applied this. Okay. The minor means as it is what is coming after a cross multiply, you will be getting as it is. You understand, or can I do one? Shortcut, the 4 by 4 matrix you are using. Okay. But if it is in 3 mark, if you ask to find a minus, you have to apply. No other go. Okay. There you don't do shortcut at all. You should apply all those. Okay. Now let's go to the what is that? You can learn this, children. You can learn this. The note point. Raja, you can learn this. See, determinant formula. My determinant formula this is. So element what order? A11. Capital A na cofactor A11. So 1 2 1 2 1 3 1 3. If it is same, this is called a determinant. Okay, if it is same, this is called a determinant. Listen carefully. What is here? The same. What is here? The same. What is here? The same. Everything should be added. This is the determinant formula. They may come in a MCQ. Which of the following is determinant? They may ask. Okay, ma? Right. Suppose if they are changing anything, that time will be coming what, my dear? 0. That time will be coming what, Raja? 0. Example they give, see. If they change anything, you will be getting 0. See, they have changed it. See, A11, not 1 is there, something else. 1 2 is there, 3 2, something else. 1 3 is there, something, then it will be 0. Okay, so that be careful. Same thing is there. 1 1 should be there. Then 1 that is determinant. Okay, very important. You have to learn these things. Read carefully. So 4.3 normal minus cofactors they asking for this. Normal, minor and see we have seen. I told you, right? They may ask in the MCQs. Then which of the following is true? See here, 1 1 1 1, 2 1 2 1, 3 1 3 1. Then this is my determinant. Okay, the same thing should be there. Element what order is there, for cofactor also same order. Then you can put a tick. See here, 1 2 2 1 wrong. 2 3 1 3 wrong. 1 3 3 3 wrong. Not the same, wrong. If it is same, then only put a tick. Determinant formula. Have you understand? Right. MCQ you can read. Then this is what adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, for 2 by 2 you have to learn. I gave idea for 2 by 2. 2 by 2 what I gave idea? Interchange this. Interchange diagonal element. What is diagonal element there? 4 2 you have to change. Opposite sign for a non-diagonal element. Then minus 1 minus 3. That is your final answer. See, that is your final answer. Am I right? Directly you can go for a 2 by 2. 3 by 3 na we can use a 4 by 4 matrix, that idea. Okay, I'll give a 4 by 4 anyway. See, they itself given that idea. In the textbook itself they give. Diagonal element we have to interchange. Non-diagonal element change opposite sign. Change the sign. Have you understand? Textbook itself they given. This idea use, it will be very useful. And theorem is given. They may ask in the MCQ. They may ask in the MCQ. So what it is, A into adjoint of A, adjoint of A into that, it will be equal to what is the determinant of A into I. Very important, determinant of A into I. Sometime they will be asking to find. Listen, Ra, they will be given if this is 4 and with order 3, then find A into adjoint A. They are asking this. Sir, matrix A is not given. Matrix A is not given. How you will find then? This formula you can use. A into adjoint of A equal to what? Determinant of A into I. So, instead of finding this, I can go this one. Determinant of A value what? 4. Order I said 3, which means 1 is 0 0 0. 1 is 0 0 0 1. Then multiply the 4 inside it. 4 0 0 0 4 0 0 4 sorry 0 0 4. That's it. This is your, what is that? A into adjoint of A. Easy to go. Have you understand? You understand? So this is the idea. Instead of multiplying, see adjoint of A. Suppose instead of given this, matrix is given something. Some matrix is big matrix given 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Matrix is given. So we have to find adjoint of A. Then we have to product A into adjoint of A. It's a big work. But we can find easily what? Determinant of A. We can find easily what? Determinant of A. Then what is my formula? Determinant of A. So suppose 10 is coming. Then 10 into I is what? I is what? Order 3 na 1 0 0 0 0 1. Sorry. 1 0 0 0 1. Then 10 you multiply, it's over. Understand? So this formula you have to remember. You have to read this. Okay. What is the formula? A into adjoint of A or adjoint of A into A equal to determinant of A into I. Whatever the order you can use. Okay. Have you understand? Read the formula. Mug up the formula. Some formula it will be very important. Read. And one more important name. It will be coming in the MCQ. Singular matrix, non-singular matrix. Singular matrix, non-singular matrix. Determinant of A equal to 0 in the sense the matrix A is called singular. Determinant of A not equal to 0, the matrix A is called non-singular matrix. Okay, when A inverse will be exist? When A inverse will be exist? Whether here or here, where A inverse will be exist? Not equal to 0, A inverse will be exist. Not equal to 0, A inverse will be exist. A equal to 0 na, A inverse will be not exist. A inverse will be what, my dear? Not exist. So they will be asking, check the singularity. One matrix they will give in 2 mark. In 2 mark, they will give one matrix. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. They will give if A equal to this. Check singularity condition. Singularity condition. Singularity means what? Non-singularity or singularity? Mean determinant of A equal to 0 or not? So you should know singularity means we should take determinant of A. Singularity means what? Determinant of A we should take. 0 na singularity. Not equal to 0 means non-singularity. That you should know. Understand? Right. And one more thing here. A matrix is given, big matrix. A matrix is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and B matrix is given same manner 1 is 0, 0, 1 is 0. This is given. They are asking determinant of AB. Determinant of AB. So the work is what? You have to product first AB. First you have to product AB. Then you have to take determinant for AB. Am I right? Instead of doing that, determinant A, determinant B, directly you go there. Take determinant, multiply each, answer is over. Don't want to multiply the matrix. That is the doing. Are you understand? When we have to go determinant. So this is one more. Theorem 3 is given. Okay. Theorem 3 is given. Okay. And that is, and one more point. This is may come in the assessment and reasoning point. Sir, assessment and reasoning they will be asking. See, A, B are non-singular. A and B non-singular. Then surely AB will be non-singular. B also will be non-singular. Will be asking in the assessment and reasoning. Suppose A and B are non-singular matrices of the same order, then AB and BA are singular matrices of the same order. What do you say? False. Okay. Or here they are given singular, here they are given non-singular. What do you say? False. Have you understand? Be careful in this. Okay. Theorem 2, Theorem 3. Theorem 3, many places you can save time. Determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A in determinant of B. You can save the time. And this is one of the main result they may ask in the MCQ. This one. Formula what? If they asking what is that? A matrix is given something less than 1, 2, 3 is given. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is given. A matrix is given. Then find determinant of adjoint of A. If they asking, what you will be doing? 4 by 4 matrix. Am I right? We will be using 4 by 4 matrix and we will be multiplying all those things. Then we will be getting adjoint of A. Then we will be getting adjoint of A. Then we have to take determinant. Am I right? Instead of doing this, we have a formula for this. Determinant of A whole power n minus 1. N means what? Order. Order is what? 3. Suppose this value is equal to 10 na. Determinant of A, for example, 10 na. 10 power 3 minus 1 is equal to 10 power 2 is equal to 100. Over. Don't want to take adjoint of A. Don't want to go 4 by 4. Very easily you can complete. If you remember this formula, you can use. Little they make advance here. See, we are studying what determinant of adjoint of A equal to and determinant of A power n minus 1. Extra what they give? 1 k. K means scalar. We didn't read this up, right? Extra they will be given. Then what you people will be doing? But I gave already this. K power n. Then here k power n into determinant of n minus 1. That's it. Over. Have you understand? So they may ask 2 into adjoint of A. They may ask what? 2 into adjoint of A for the determinant they ask not 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means 8. This is what 10 power 3 minus 1. 8 into 10 power 2 is equal to 8 into 100, which is equal to 800 power. We should not worry about it. Any scalar is given. The formula is what? A is equal to K, B in the same. Determinant of A is equal to with order n, then K power n determinant to B. I told you already. That formula we can use. So K into adjoint of A is given now. K power n into determinant of A power n minus 1. So that people they may confuse with this formula with this. Power n minus 1 for adjoint of A. Here for this A. Okay. People what they do, this power they will take there, that power they will bring here. Read clearly. Adjoint of A determinant if we go, what? Determinant of A power n minus 1. Understand? Scalar is there inside na? Scalar power order. Scalar power order. Don't confuse. Okay, scalar power order. Very important formula this one. Very important formula this one. That's it. And see here. And see here. See, they asked to verify also. A into adjoint of A. The product we have seen A into adjoint of A is equal to what we have seen? Huh? What is the determinant of A into I? We gave this. Is equal to what I gave? Adjoint of A into A. This is, they have seen already. That is they asking to verify. Okay. Okay, Raja. Sums and all we'll see in the next video. Okay. Thank you, Raja. Take care, boy. See you later.